This is Steve Maduro here. Got the 12 gauge pump. Let's see what it do. Ooh!
Hey! I'm trying to see the laser. Oh, there it is. I got the laser on bullseye.
You got the laser on bullseye. Ooh. Ooh, let's see that again. Alright, so this is the last shotgun I shot was my boy Steve Maduro. Got the tactical kit on it and everything. I just got old Bessie. Just old straight up out the box. Just regular. So my baby got two. SKS already loaded, ready to go. Hope we don't have no issues. That's it.
That's it.
Am I hitting my target?
Nah, I have no idea. That's a long ways away.
Yeah. You videotaping?
Yeah. Yeah. That's Steve Maduro. Securo Duro.
Good. I guess it's just, I don't know.
Whenever you're ready.
Fire in the hole.
I love my SKS.